Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be sharing with you my method to get 15,000 mammoth coins on Brawlhalla. That is right, guys, 15,000 mammoth coins has just been added to my account at no cost. It's free. Now listen, I know that sounds a little crazy, but if this video is up, it still works. This method still works, so hear me out. Guys, I was on Instagram and I saw something that Brawlhalla was on the Tweak Valley store. Guys, it is. Brawlhalla is on the Tweak Valley store. Now, this is not like a private server. This is not like a Dinos hacker or anything like that. This is a full version of Brawlhalla. Connect and play with friends, but with 15,000 extra mammoth tokens. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Let me stop my babbling, start my explaining now. I'm actually going to jump into the app and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, guys, so here I am on Brawlhalla on my iPhone 11. Now, my iPhone 11 works great. I have no issues with my iPhone 11. It's just that if you guys don't have an iPhone 11, then the instructions might be a tiny bit different, and if it is, that's okay. Just follow along the best you can and it'll all work out. But yeah, here we are on Brawlhalla. Now if we actually just go ahead and click right here, we should just be able to go ahead and open up this little menu right here. Now this little menu can be accessed by actually clicking your icon, and so how you get this is pretty simple. Just go ahead and turn on that switch right there. And there is a lot of other stuff too, but that's not what this video is about. I mean, you can get this. I've tried it. But I just want the mammoth coins. So I just hit that activate button, guys. Now watch my mammoth coins. Watch them. I know they're a little hard to see, but I want you guys to watch them. Now it has to resync with the server. Keep watching them. There it is, guys. Boom. I just got 15,000 mammoth coins like that. It genuinely is that easy, guys. And I know you are probably curious as to how I got this done, and it is pretty simple. You were like, wait a second, I don't have that version of the app. I don't have that app. And you are right, guys. You actually don't. This is a different version of Brawlhalla that you can only get on the internet. You can't get this one on the App Store. You have to use Safari or settings, or Safari and settings, I should say. Safari and settings. Now, if you don't have Safari, that's okay. You can use any other internet browser like Chrome, Firefox, whatever you may need, but you should use Safari if you do have it because it will allow you to follow along as closely as possible. But let's go ahead and go to the website. The website that we're going to go to today, guys, is called Tweak Valley. Tweakvalley. Now, I've been going to this website more and more. This website's popping up more and more because, honestly, guys, there is a pretty large selection of tweaked and hacked apps on this platform. It is a little bit absurd. Let me go ahead and show you kind of what I'm talking about with how many freaking apps there are on this thing, guys. But, of course, we are looking for Brawlhalla, so let's go ahead and get that going. We will look it up right there. Awesome. And we're going to hit that install button. Now what this install button is going to do, guys, is that's actually going to begin a process of downloading something called a configuration profile. Now what a configuration profile is, very bare bones, is essentially Apple's fancy schmancy word for hacked app. Now, just because it is a hacked app, it does not mean that it is like bad to use or anything like that. It just means that it's an app that is not available on the App Store for whatever reason. So what we're waiting for is a little notification to appear here saying that the app is done, downloaded, and that we need to allow it to finish. So let's go ahead and wait for that. It shouldn't be much longer here with a little notification. There it is. This website's trying to download a configuration profile. We do want to allow that, and then we want to close on out of that, guys. Now, we're going to open up our settings, and there it is under downloaded profiles. Now you get there by going to General and VPN and Device Management. Boom, downloaded profile. There it is. Hit that install button and type in your regular unlock passcode, the regular passcode you use to unlock your phone. Hit next, and then hit install 2 times. After that, guys, you should be good to go. Hit that done button, and you are done. Boom, there it is. Enjoy, guys.